water the squash, okay, and some of the tomato over there. As you could see, this is now ready, more than ready actually. And temporarily, we'll just unplug the aerator. Okay, so that's unplugged. Sorry for the noise, because I just want to show you, how it works. Now we unplug already the aerator. Okay, so you could see the bubble is subsiding, but this compost tea now is very, very healthy, and this is ready. Good smell actually because of the molasses. Look out. Not offensive. It's good smell, good odor, I would say. And we'll try to water this squash to absorb all the vitamins and minerals that are being developed in that compost. So there, I will put a generous amount in here. I think that's good. And also in here. Okay, we'll give generous watering with this fertilizer, The scale, they will grow more. Yeah. Oh, love it. I love it. Okay, here's our friend. What's your name?
Bob. Hey,
Bob. Bob, come. You want to see our compost devourer? It's in here. Yeah. Bob, our good neighbor, always strolling.
Daddy the dog.
Yeah. What's the name of your dog?
Daddy.
You see that?
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I built this one. Of course, there's some octagon pipe. That I drilled a small hole, 3,
Okay.
and also there's a hole there, pipe on that end.
So what
And-
goes into it? Like
We put rainwater up to
Yeah.
this, about
Yeah.
25 gallons, and kelp.
kelp.
Yeah, we put kelp and molasses,
Oh, okay.
and we aerate this for more than 24 hours already.
Okay.
I'll show you how it works in here. I just plug this. Yeah, that's how it is. So I put some worm casting.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, worm casting on that tea bag there. Okay. And then of course we have the 25 gallons of rainwater, 10 tablespoons of molasses,
Okay.
and 10 tablespoons of kelp, liquid kelp.
Oh, where'd you get the liquid kelp?
I bought that from Amazon.
Oh, Amazon.
Yeah. You see that? And you could smell.
I don't do it. Should I?
Yeah, you could smell.
Yeah.
Yeah, molasses, right? It's not offensive smell.
Well, when we got her, she was very sickly looking, very scruffy.
Okay.
And after much money spent on vets and vet food, she
Yeah.
Big one also. Ours is very big.
Yeah.
so she's doing pretty good right now.
Yeah.
Well looked after.
You live on the other side over there?
Over here, right behind.
Ah, right behind. Okay.
Almost right opposite here.
Okay. 87162? No.
Maybe 11.
Okay. Close to Joe's
Where else?
kids, yeah.
What's this one?
8803. Almost behind. Okay, Bob. Yeah, nice chatting with you. Yeah.
See, when you go for a walk
Okay.
or you ride your bicycle, you learn all sorts of things.
Yeah, okay. All right, thank you. Look at this tomato. It's cold now. Actually, the water is cold. I'll give them a generous amount of this compost tea, brewed compost tea. Ito yung repolyo. And may kalunay din kami rito. Yan, Pinigan ko na rin itong mga kalunay. Yan, kalunay. And also this garlic, no? Ma-absorb pa nila yan para lumaki pa yung
Tumutubo ba yung mga seeds niya sa ano?
tutubo
Sa
rin.
taas?
Oo, yeah.
Ha?
We have to store that.
Oh, okay. Then tutubo?
Tutubo, yes.
Okay. So next year maybe or
But hindi na rito sa ibang lugar.
oo.
Because if you do that, the disease, kapag hindi pa sa yung unang tubo, hindi pa ganun kalalaki.
Oo.
Yung bunga, laman. Siyempre, pag in-store mo ulit yun, yung buto mismo nito, ano ba yan? Tinanin mo. Tapos na tayong mag-delayed, ano? So, ipapakita ko sa inyo, halos ubos na to, wala na. Yeah, so i-disassemble natin ito. Madali lang ito, hugutin mo lang ito, yan Kasi walang glue yan, okay? Yan nakakalas lang yung mga yan. Yan, So, ito, yan, hugutin mo lang. And then, get rid of this. You see, nakita nyo yung butas, Diyan, pumapasok yung husk. Because the hole is very small, so there might be some spillover. Kasi sayang, you could still use that, okay?
Idilig ko sa mga halaman ko sa loob.
Bakit may family pala tayo, Look at that, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, it's spillover. So, we might just water in here. Para yung mga alright. So guys, you see that? We'll just pour it in here in our compost bin. You see, this compost bin is very rich now. We will harvest this. Look at that, those are decaying leaves. That over time they will turn into this worm casting, because there are plenty of worms over there. So we'll just pour this in here, okay? Yeah. Okay, so guys, so that we could take all of those worm casting soil, as you would say. We'll put some rainwater before pouring out because they are a little bit sticky. Yeah. Easy to clean. Okay. The good thing of cleaning your tools right away is you don't find it hard to clean later on because the dirt might get stuck on those holes, So I want to have that clean. Okay, I'll just blow that with this water. You see that? Okay, and this one. You see that? Just put it there like that. Just to make sure that. Actually, I could disassemble that, especially in long term. But because next week we will be using this again, well, it would not take you 3 minutes to assemble this. Within 2 minutes or even a minute. So that's it, guys.
Don't forget to watch our videos.
Okay, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and put your comments and suggestions.